online shoppers. I just ordered the most gorgeous Christmas tree and it came in. This is a 6-foot National Tree Company Dunhill Fern. Now this is a lush, plush luxury tree. So let's open it up and put it together. That way you'll know how long it'll take you to put it together too. And here is the base. All you have to do is put in one screw and it's gonna lock it in place. Here's the bottom, here's the middle, and here's the top. As well, they've provided you some extra lights and fuses for the light strands. Put this together. Okay, now it's locked in place, nice and secure. We can start assembling. This is our base right here. And they always ship the trees with an end cap, so we're just gonna take this off and pop it in, just like that. There we go. It's time to fluff. And there you have it, folks. It is fully assembled. And the best part is it only took me under 25 minutes to open up the box, put the parts together, fluff the branches, and then plug it in and do all my final touches. Now, just to remind you in case you forgot, this is the North Valley Spruce. Now, let me tell you some things I love about this National Tree Company Christmas tree. It has 500 mini lights and over 1,000 tips, so it is a very beautiful, lush tree. Now, I love the look of just a plain lit Christmas tree. It's just so simple, and I love how nice this tree is. I definitely could get away with not decorating it. Just pushing it in a corner and it looks Christmassy. Maybe a couple red bows, maybe a couple little tiny ornaments, but it's so beautiful on its own. I don't actually need to decorate it. Now I love how quickly it went together. Definitely under 25 minutes from full fluffing, but oof, I went hard. I got so hot, I had to put my hair in a ponytail. As well, I loved that everything worked. All the lights worked. It was great right out of the box. You know, when you order a tree, you always have that little heart sink for a minute, go, oh, I hope it's gonna work. Because who wants to pack something up and send it back? And it definitely delivered. It was really beautiful right out of the box. Another thing that's really cool is that there's literally none of these needles on the carpet underneath where the tree is. There's like no cleanup. It's so well made that everything is holding on to its needles and there's no mess that you sometimes get with artificial trees. The branches were really easy to separate. The pieces were clearly labeled how to put them together one after the other, and the lighting was easy. If you were looking for a great Christmas tree to put into your house, this one here, the North Valley Spruce, is beautiful, it's easy, it is classy, and it is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.